Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can insert an image into a video clip or video project you create and edit on Microsoft Clipchamp. So let us get started. So let me remove that one and show you how it's done. So navigate to your video project in the video editor of Clipchamp, and what you want to do is click into My Media here. Select the video clip from your library, for example import it from your device or from Google Drive, OneDrive, here from your library, and put it on your timeline. So that's the video clip, and here below and above you will see these the text track and the audio track. Now what you want to do, guys, is do the same for an image or photo, for example in PNG or JPEG file format. Click into this drop down menu here next to import media, select browse files to locate the image on your device. I will go with this one here for demonstration purposes. So here move it from your library and position it on the text track here. And we'd like to, let's say, from the 10-second mark. But of course you can increase the length of or duration of the given image by clicking into one of its edges here and by moving it, let's say, to the beginning of the timeline and to the end of that video clip, so that it aligns with the length or duration of the video clip. Now as you can see, now it covers almost the entire frame. So what you want to do as well is click into the image here on your timeline, and then you will see these 4 corners or handles. So what you want to do is click into them and resize the image and move it, for example, into one of these corners here, for instance, so that it doesn't cover the entire frame. And that's it, guys. That's how we do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.